This is the day that the Lord has made for our whole national conference.
I am going back to my Galilee, where the Savior walked beside me.
The cross is not a symbol of power, but a symbol of love. The cross is not a tool of domination, but a door of forgiveness. And most importantly, the cross is not an end, but a beginning.
His love lifts me up through it all.
Ibinalik ni Jesus ang kanyang dignidad at pagkakakilanlan.
Abide in every doubt, in every pain. His grace flows like rain. I'll carry my cross, I'll lift my voice.
For Christ's love is revealed.
So here I am, your handmaid, Lord. My heart restored, my courage now.
Magtangay kayo, magkakampani kayo, at sa pagkakampani niyo, God will also accompany.
I'll always return, a love transformed. In my gallery, I'll forever choose to say, I love you, Lord. I will follow every day.
Hindi kita iiwanan at hindi kita papatayaan.
In every doubt, in every pain.
Tawag sa panibagong pag-asa na magdudulot ng pagkakaisa, kapatawaran, at pagmamahalan sa komunidad na
I
kinabuhi.
lift my voice, in Him alone I will rejoice. So here I am, your handmaid, Lord. My heart restored.
Ito po yung mabuhay ng tunay.